For the initial project, we are going to make a garbage monitoring system. And here's the description for our initial project. So the product we are going to make is a smart trash can monitoring system that can detect whenever a trash can needs to be emptied. With the help of ultrasonic sensor, the system will measure whenever the pile of trash can gets to a certain level. When the system registers a shorter reflection in sound waves, it signals that the user will know when to empty the trash can. So the function is to notify the user when to empty the trash can. They say, for example, the trash can is full, it notifies the user via email to empty the trash can. Here we have the components of our for the project. So first we have a Raspberry Pi. It is a single board mini computer. It is used to control our system by different outputs and outputs. It is used for coding the notification for filling the inputs and outputs for the trash can. This is an ultra sensor. It's an instrument that measures the distance to object using ultrasonic sound waves. So it sensors the trash can if it's empty or not. If it's on when the trash can needs to be emptied. And here you have the jumper wires. It is wires that have connectors placed at each end. It is used to connect two points at each other without soldering. So it is used to connect between the Raspberry Pi and the breadboard. So here you have a breadboard. It is used to connect the Raspberry Pi and jumper wires, which to measure the sensors. This is a resistor, another component is used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels to different voltages. It is maintained by the coding from Raspberry Pi. So here we have a trash bin as our main component. So the trash bin will be attached by an ultrasonic sensor, and it registers when the trash can is full. It will send push notification saying that it needs to be emptied. And here we have a computer. It's used for notification for trash can if it's full or needs to be filled in if it's not used daily. But phones can be used well since it functions the same thing as the computer. So I think that's it for our initial project, and that's all.